Well, a pretty quiet weather day around western Washington. We've got a lot of clouds, not a whole lot of showers, and some occasional sun breaks kind of mixed in. Yesterday we had a really nice sunset with some color out there, and actually it was a pretty good day overall. It was kind of a rare day in the fact that we actually hit the normal high temperature. That doesn't happen very often. That's really the average high temperature, but we had 51 degrees, which matched the normal for the day of 51 degrees, and we're 6 degrees above what should be the normal low, so definitely into a little bit warmer pattern than what we were seeing not too long ago. Take a look at our countdown to spring. Exactly 4 weeks from today, it's going to be officially spring, but I think the weekend is going to feel like spring. Temperatures are going to be up in the mid 50s, though it is going to be a little bit wet, though. That's one of the signs of spring is that we get warmer rain around western Washington, and that's definitely what we're on track to see. Checking the Doppler radar, not much going on it today. We are going to continue to see a chance of some showers out over the Olympic Peninsula along the strait and southwestern Washington from some weak systems coming in, but they dissipate really before they make it into Puget Sound. Could still see a few scattered showers, especially up towards Bellingham, and might see a couple make their way in down around the Olympia area. You can see the Bellingham area seeing quite a few showers this morning, seeing a little bit of a pause now. And around Olympia, we've seen them mostly out in the Black Hills south and west of Olympia. Checking the cameras this morning, basically cloudy skies out there. There's low clouds in a few places, but a lot of middle and high clouds out there as well. Looking out from our Queen Anne Tower cam, looking just a little on the gray side, but a hint of some blue spots, and looks like some breaks in that overcast around the Tacoma area. Checking our temperatures, they're the lows this morning, mostly in the low to mid 40s. That Port Townsend temperature looks a little out of line, but Port Anne just dropped down to similar temperature, so maybe it was a little bit cooler there. There was definitely some fog along the northern portion of the Olympic Peninsula this morning, so that might have been contributing a little bit. Take a look at our 7-day first alert forecast. It does look like we're going to get into a wet period over the weekend. It's going to be not constant rain over the weekend, but we'll see it move through with a system about every 24 hours, it looks like, with a little bit of a pause in between. But you can see it does stay pretty warm through the weekend. You can see the cause of it looking out there towards the Pacific in that satellite image. We've got a series of weather systems that are moving up along that band of moisture we see pointing up towards the west coast. Those are going to come through, as I said, about every 24 hours, giving us some steady rain interspersed with showers, it looks like, all the way into the first part of next week. Checking the new snow reported by the ski areas this morning at 5 a.m., 5 new for Baker Stevens, 2 inches of new. The Snoqualmie area is about 3 inches of new, and Crystal 3 inches of new as well. Checking our freezing level forecast, or a snow level forecast, you can see today we're bouncing kind of between Snoqualmie and Stevens passes with the 3,500 foot freezing level, snow level rather. On Friday, it looks like we'll rise up to 4,000 feet, and then we'll really see a warm front move in on Saturday. It's going to push us up to around 6,000 foot snow level as we head towards later Saturday. So we'll see some rain up to the top of most of the ski areas, except for the ones that are really high and farther to the north. As we head into Sunday, we'll stay pretty much in that 6,000 foot range, maybe a few feet lower, and then we'll cool a bit on Monday and a little more on Tuesday before we start warming towards midweek. But that's going to be without any precipitation and with some sunshine, which is good news for the lowlands. Checking the mountain passes, no major problems. They're reporting this morning just traction tires advised, and basically just a little bit of compact snow and ice on the roadways for all the major passes. Taking a look at our forecast for the Snoqualmie area. Cloudy skies up there, maybe a little bit of fog. High temperatures today getting into the mid to upper 30s. And if you headed over Stevens Pass today, cloudy skies there as well with high temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s. And our extended forecast. So today, mostly cloudy, a few sprinkles around, maybe a few sun breaks, temperatures in the low 50s. Tomorrow we'll start off pretty quiet, and then we'll see increasing rain during the afternoon. Nothing too heavy though. Highs staying in the upper 40s and low 50s. As we head into Saturday, there'll be a little bit of a pause in the morning, but then it's going to pick up in the afternoon with increasing rain, high temperatures into the mid 50s. Rain at times for Sunday and Monday, and it looks like again the main rain those 2 days probably in the afternoons as well. Decreasing showers on Tuesday. Looks like we're going to be seeing mostly sunny skies after morning fog for Wednesday. High temperatures as we head towards midweek, getting into the mid 50s, and there's a chance we might see a few places get up into the upper 50s as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. Looks like we'll see temperatures stay in the 50s all the way through the end of February on Friday and the start of that first weekend in March, which is pretty amazing that we're already at March and not far away from spring. We definitely are feeling spring weather right now. You want to get out and enjoy it, but if you're headed outside over the weekend, definitely take your rain gear with you.